Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple splitter engine like in the thumbnail. It goes extremely fast. The one I'm going to show you today goes 800 kilometers an hour, but you can get it to go 2000 plus. So let's get right into it. So first I'm just going to grab this go-kart seat, and then I'm going to get a 2x4 and place it 2 on each side of the go-kart seat, like so. And then I'm going to get 4 steering hinges, like this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, 4. Oh, I can't count, I guess. And I'm going to put it on even like this with a 2-block gap in the middle. And then we get a 2x4 again, place it right on the front like this. And then grab yourself some flat connectors and place it under, over like this, and just copy this a bunch of times. No, one more, and then I'm just gonna add it so it's the right way up so I can place a tail fin on it. I recommend using the powered ones as like they're more effective, and you don't have to use like a longer tail like this, and usually a longer tail means less speed, so yeah. Just use the power ones, but if you want to like do races with it or something, I guess you could use the normal ones. But I'm just going to copy it on both sides like this, and I'm just going to give it a little test here. Yeah, that's not right, so I need to reverse one of these. Okay. Whoa! Yeah, that's giving us a car, but we could make it faster and also more controllable. So I'm just gonna crank these right up to 90 and remove all the steering help. And I'm also gonna change this control here. You can put it to whatever, but I just like R2. It's kind of like my throttle, I guess. I'm also gonna make it controllable. So I'm just gonna get some aiming servos. This. These aiming servos are actually really good for making your build super controllable, as you literally just look where you want to go and it just goes there. I really like the aiming servos. Best update we've had in a while. So I'm just gonna put it like that, and that should be good. I'm gonna test it here. Oh dear. Oh dear. Something went wrong there, I think. 90 degrees might be a bit too much. I'm actually gonna stack these up one more. I'm gonna copy it up and see if that helps. Oh dear. Oh, I know what's wrong. I didn't add tail fins in the back. Or, well, horizontal. No. Vertical stabilization? No. I don't know. I'm just gonna move these up. Like this. I'm gonna put a grid block at the end. Just under the tail fin here. Like that. Oh. And then I'm gonna get another tail fin, this. And then I'm also gonna get a gyro just so we're stable on the roll direction. I'm gonna plop it right in there. Oh no, yep, there. And put that right up to 10. So, yes, now we're moving. So now we are going 760, 750-ish, and it's super controllable. Even with the roll stabilizer, it's still rolling, but I'm actually gonna land here and put another stabilizer on the back. Because it doesn't feel like that good, so I'm just gonna do this. Oh yeah, that feels a bit. So, this is 0 power cores. Well, the engine is 0 power cores, but obviously the power tail fins and the stabilizers, they're not 0. But if you manage to make it without the stabilizer, which the stabilizer doesn't do much, it just kind of like whenever you let go, it puts you back to normal. But obviously if you did it without the power tail fins, which you can, I have done it, it's actually not that hard. But obviously then it'd be 0 power cores, which is pretty cool for having so much power with 0. So, yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and bye-bye.